Hey guys, this is the one and only Auntie C. Ding! But we're gonna go out today. We're gonna meet up with Fenton and have a date with the girls. So I'm with Johan, Laura. Hi! Borrowed this car for like 12 hours. So, pero ganun din
Basta
yun,
borrowed.
Pero anyway, borrowed. Kasi may lamok. May
Lamok?
Wait, diba?
Ang tayong McDo, guys. Bili muna tayong fries.
Ako ba?
Gutom na ako.
Is that my hair clip? Yes. Say hello, guys.
Hello, guys.
No, say hello, girlies pala.
Hello, girlies.
Okay, show your fit.
Very cute.
Ikaw, show your fit.
Very tomboyish.
Tomboyish.
I'm eating! I'm so hungry. How about you? Hungry, homies?
I don't know. I prefer sweet ecstasy over hungry.
What's sweet ecstasy? Oh my god, girl! Does that still even exist?
I don't know if it's still in Molito though. Guys, wala pa akong ginagawa. Ginawa niya sa akin.
Guys, I poodled her. But I wanna eat that and let's just eat that.
Parang kailangan na lang namin ng spoon to eat it. Because it's really good.
Kahit cookies lang.
Yeah.
What if... Yay! Wala na magdi-dinner.
Let's go there! Woo! So cute.
Oh my god, it's so cute.
Look how cute this tea towel is. It's so nice.
She's here.
She's here. She's here. From school, girls. Sabi mo na gusto kumain. Sabi ko na eh. Like, bigyan niyo na lang ako ng genre. Genre? I'm happy. Ay, bibis. Ay, bibis.
Playing with the girlies.
Itadakimasu. Try this. I'm not.
That's my favorite.
I love salmon.
That's the only thing I eat.
Where you got your... What's that, babe?
It's spicy salmon. Hand rolled.
Definitely order spicy salmon.
Hand rolled.
Hand roll.
One order.
Yes, please. Thank you.
Diba?
Bagel, green peas, tapos smoked salmon, tapos all about bagels. With a little caviar. Ang sarap. Pa-order mo ako to.
You know what? For my vlogs.
Oh,
Yeah. Perfect.
yummy. Diba? Oh, chipmunks.
Diba? I told you.
So, sarap, no? Itadakimasu din. Steak one. Extra steak. It's like one
Burger na something na pata.
So this is my first ever commercial. And I want you to guess what brand. Dove?
Legit? Fresh noodle. As in.
Diba?
Ay, si Laura yun.
Parang fresh catch ng isda ako. This is recommended by her. It's so good.
And now he's testing Johan.
Johan!
How was the food, you guys? Rate it out of 10.
I will rate it, won't be perfect, 9. I'll go na 8. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Charot! OA. Welcome everybody! We are here today at ADC. Commercial ng book.
Hindi ko na left to book sa akin ako.
Hello. Okay, let me introduce the girls. This is Kirsten.
Hello.
This is Laura. This is Johan. This is Me.
Introduce yourself.
This is
The one and only.
the one and only.